KUHITUKIRA uiguithanirio ya kinyanirio ni ndudu ya MINISTA mukana uria wagathikirwo mwaka-ini wa 2019 ukigirio wandikithia wa kambuni cia wenji wa mahiga ma goro riu ni urikitie guthengio thutha wa ministry ya wenji wa mahiga ma goro guthugunda mawatho meru ma kuramata ruhonge ruru. Ministry no niranire kuoya makinya maria magiriire kuri makiria ya kambuni 3,000 iria irerikana kuruta wira mugaru na watho icigo-ini itiganite bururi-ini.
The cabinet made a resolution to lift the moratorium on mining and prospecting licenses across the country. We have been able also to identify 3,000 illegal mining operations which we have directed that they stop mining until they comply with the law.
County ya Embu nĩ county iririkana gukorwo na uhoti wa kumatha umithio munene kumana na wenji wa cuma muthemba wa kopa. Riu thuthurio kionania ati Embu nĩ county itiganite gitaro-ini gia irathiro ria bururi kuria thirikari igwikirira hari wenji wa utonga uyu.
In the eastern part of our country, we are looking up to enhancing our capacity in adding value for copper, and this will take a cluster of counties, Makueni, Kitui, Embu, and others, and we'll be able to do an expression of interest for investments.
Ningi ndudu ya MINISTA no ehete mweke county kugunekana wenji wa mahiga ma goro kuona county ire thukagirwo gicunji kia 20% kia mbeca iria ciumana na thogora ino.
Able to declare 2.9 billion which is now approved in our 23-24 budget for the respective counties to be able to receive their rightful share of the 20%. We have identified 1,546 licenses that do not meet the conditions of licensing. So I think we should be able to declare this inactive soon.
Ningi thirikari no eranĩire kwambatĩria kwa mahitia ma wendia wa mahiga ma goro mugaru na watho na gutue undu mahitia ma gikiro kia wikinaĩ wa kĩmbeca riu mukana mururu kirutirwo aria othe mangithugunda undu ta uyu.
Currently we have seen situations where people smuggle minerals across the country, and we resolved yesterday that mineral smuggling is an economic crime and will be punishable as per the laws of our country.
Na niguo kunyihia wikinaĩ wa wendia wa mahiga ma goro riu munene wa borithi ni athukiirwo wira wa guthugunda ruhonge rwa mwanya rwa maabitha borithi kuhurana na wendia uria utakinyanĩire wa mahiga ma goro.
The cabinet approved the establishment of a special police unit which will be established in the Ministry of Mining to make sure that now we are able to enforce compliance and have a team that is going to support this particular process.
Handu-ini ya KAMBUNI TV retorako ni Bataru wa Mwangi.